Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. An arc of a circle is of length 14 pi and the sector it bounds has an area of 35 pi centimeter square. Find the radius of the circle. We know area of sector is given by pi r square and theta by 360. So with this formula, the given area of sector is 35 pi equal to pi r square theta by 360. Let's name it equation 1. We know length of arc. Length of arc is given by 2 pi r into theta by 360. So with this formula, we get 14 pi equal to 2 pi r into theta by 360. Let's name it equation 2. When we divide 1 by 2, what we get is 35 pi divided by 14 pi equal to pi r square theta by 360 divided by 2 pi r theta by 360. So theta by 360 get cancelled out. Pi r and pi r get cancelled out. So what we have on left hand side is pi gets cancelled out and we are left with 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35 and 7 2s are 14. So we are left with 5 by 2 on left hand side. So let's write this. So we have 5 by 2 equal to r by 2. Therefore, we get r equal to 5 centimeters. This is the answer. Radius is 5 centimeters.